Welcome to Easy Click Learning. Want 3-digit numbers to show as 6-digit codes, but Excel keeps removing the zeros? In this video, I'll show you 3 quick and reliable ways to add leading zeros in Excel, without affecting formulas or numbers. Stick around till the end to find out the best method for your specific need. Let's dive in. Method 1. Custom number format. Let's say we have a list of product IDs in column B, and we want each one to appear with exactly 6 digits. Here's how to do it. First, select the range B2 to B10. Press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Number tab. Then click on Custom. Type 6 zeros in the Type field. Click OK and boom! Your numbers now display with leading zeros without changing the actual values. That means you can still sort, filter, or run calculations like before. Method 2. Using the text function. Let's say you want to create a new column with leading zeros. Perfect for exporting data or combining it with other text. In cell C2, type this formula. Start by typing equals text. Press Tab. Now, select the A2 cell. Then type 6 zeros inside quotation marks. Now, press Enter. Then drag down the formula. This converts your number into text, formatted with leading zeros. Just keep in mind, since it's now text, it won't behave like a number in formulas unless you convert it back. Method 3. Using Power Query. Working with large datasets or want to automate the process? Power Query is the way to go. First, select your data. Press Ctrl+T to turn it into a table. Or go to the Insert tab and click Table. Make sure my table has header and click OK. With the table selected, go to the Data tab and click from Table Range to open Power Query. In the Power Query editor, go to the Add Column tab. Click Custom Column. In the dialog box, name the new column. Enter this formula. And click OK. Finally, go to Home. Close and load to return the results to Excel. You now have a clean, automated column with leading zeros, perfect for recurring reports, templates, or shared files. So, when to use which method? Custom format, when you want to display zeros but keep numeric values. Text function, when exporting or combining with other text strings. And Power Query for larger, dynamic datasets or automation. Pick the one that fits your goal. And that's it. If this saved you time, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips. Drop a comment. And remember, Excel doesn't have to be hard. You just need the right clicks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.